you, a little piece of British motoring history, sleeping in a stranger's garage. Today you come home with me.
This 1929 Austin 7 Swallow shows decades of neglect. The original white paint is heavily oxidized. This is the specialized foam treatment for the Austin 7. The purple foam is already dissolving decades of dirt. Decades of road grime are meticulously pressure washed off the small original springs, revealing the factory paint markings beneath. The clear coat is applied, and the bake cycle begins, ensuring a flawless finish on this rare 1929 Swallow.
There has to be something here that someone forgot about, and I think I just found it.
Look at you, a little piece of British motoring history, sleeping in a stranger's garage. Today you come home with me.
Hidden away for decades, this 1929 Austin 7 Swallow represents a forgotten era, a silent relic in a graveyard of memories.
Untouched for decades, the engine bay is a testament to time.
This 1929 Austin 7 Swallow has clearly seen better days. Decades of neglect have turned the once
It's a 1929 Austin 7 Swallow. It's been in there since my grandfather parked it.
How on earth am I supposed to get that onto the truck?
What?
This 1929 Austin 7 Swallow shows decades of neglect. The original white paint is heavily oxidized.
Here we see the ladder frame chassis. Despite the thick grey dirt and surface rust on the suspension, the chassis itself remains structurally sound.
All right, easy now, watch the edge. I've got it.
We start by carefully unscrewing the badge and placing it safely in the tray. Then, it's just
See the size difference there. Definitely bigger. Hey, check the tail light. Still glowing strong.
Detaching the door requires a delicate touch, especially around these original brass fittings. It's surprisingly light, given its age.
Carefully now, mind the hinges. Okay, let's move it to the bench.
Right, gently does it.
All right, ready to lift. Steady now, watch the paint. Ready? Lift it straight up. Okay, easy now, watch the petrol tank.
using only wooden tools, the Austin 7 badges are slowly pried off the thin body steel, revealing the original white paint beneath. Disassembly final verification. This is the specialized foam treatment for the Austin 7. The purple foam is already dissolving decades of dirt. This is the foam dwell time. The specialized purple mixture clings to the surface, slowly dissolving the heavy grime.
The 1929 Austin 7 Swallow's tiny engine bay requires meticulous care. Here we apply the foam.
Decades of dark green oxidation cover these 1929 Austin 7 Swallow brass trims.
After nearly a century, the original ermine white paint begins to emerge from beneath the heavy beige dust. Decades of water etching meant we had to use a specific solution to reveal the original clarity of the Swallow's panels.
It is this meticulous attention to every small piece that defines a true restoration, bringing the original components back to life.
Decades of oil residue are finally being stripped away from the cast iron. Now we can finally see those original casting numbers.
We begin the inspection at the cowl, moving across the driver's side. The damage here is extensive.
Make sure you get under the running boards.
Got it. This foam is working well on the roof.
The thick microfiber towels effortlessly lift the water, revealing the original depth of the 1929 paintwork.
The compressed air allows us to see the true condition of the original white paint and the fabric roof before the restoration begins.
The fabric roof, though clean, shows the wear of time. Notice the distinct moisture stains and areas of slack.
This is the staging area for the 1929 Austin 7 Swallow. Every component has been meticulously cleaned. After the cleaning phase, the 1929 Austin 7 Swallow is elevated. The original white paint is clean, yet
This 747 ccc engine, particularly the side valve cylinder head, carries nearly a century of grime.
As the cleaning solution works, the mineral deposits begin to dissolve, slowly revealing the intricate details of the small brass fins beneath the grime.
Decades of road grime are meticulously pressure washed off the small original springs, revealing the factory paint markings beneath.
All right, the Austin looks spotless.
Every component is clean, ready for the next phase.
We have to identify every imperfection on the original panels before we even think about applying the filler. You have to feel the metal, work it slowly from the inside out. No filler on this one, just traditional methods.
Using the longboard allows us to remove the high spots with coarse grit. We then smooth the filler with
consistent passes ensure a uniform surface. This gray primer will provide the perfect foundation for the color coat.
The clear coat is applied and the bake cycle begins, ensuring a flawless finish on this rare 1929 Swallow.
The Austin 7 Swallow roof requires careful preparation. We're applying this sealant to ensure a perfect bond for the new black fabric.
The key is the precise factory line. We trim it here, right to the edge, before we apply the adhesive. Here we apply the final sealant. It must be perfectly taut, matching the original factory specification down to the last millimeter.
And here it is, the complete 1929 Austin 7 Swallow, finished in the original factory white with a taut new black fabric roof.
The final stage involves torquing the cylinder head bolts. Precision here is crucial for the 747cc engine's performance.
The Austin 7 Swallow, seen here receiving its original coat of white, must be pristine before the rebuilt engine is installed.
Polished to factory luster, these small pieces, the radiator surround, the bumpers, are essential to the car's elegance.
Here we see the rebuilt suspension taking shape. Every component, from the dampers to the springs, meets the exact.
Here we see the fresh linings and the newly installed brake rods gleaming under the industrial lights, ready for the wheels.
Buffed until every microscopic scratch is gone, the brass trim of this 1929 model gleams under the industrial lights of the workshop.
Reinstalling the radiator is a delicate process. We ensure every cooling fin is pristine before securing the Swallow badge against the apron.
Once the new lens is in place, the brass bezel is carefully aligned and twisted shut. Listen to that satisfying
The wiring loom is now fully routed, meticulously following the original 1929 factory channels.
How are the mounts looking?
They're lined up, bring it down slowly.
And seated.
Meticulously following the original factory specifications, the brass carburetor and copper fuel line are secured.
With the new white paint cured, we refit the restored front apron. The original 1929 Swallow
Here we are retrimming the original factory hide. Careful stretching and smoothing ensures the black leather matches the precise 1929 specification.
We need to be extremely careful with these connections.
Absolutely, it wouldn't want to short out after all that work.
Steady now. That looks about right.
Restoring this 1929 Swallow means honoring the factory specifications. As you can see, the leather...
Here you can see the restored cabin, with the new mats fitting snugly against the white trim.
With the Bakelite rim clear-coated and restored, the wheel slides back onto the column. Next, we ensure the horn and ignition controls are fully operational.
So we're reinstalling the original brass channels now.
Okay, gently lower the windshield into the groove. We need to ensure the seal is perfect before we apply the compound.
Getting the doors to sit flush is crucial. The brass hinges needed careful alignment, but now they flow perfectly with the car's lines.
The brass mouldings must be perfectly flush with the bodywork. It's painstaking work, but essential for a Concours finish.
The meticulous reinstallation of the original 1929 Austin 7 Swallow badges, reflecting decades of British craftsmanship restored.
Securing the bezel flush against the bodywork, ensuring perfect harmony with the new fabric roof. Meticulous care is taken as the restored artillery spoke wheels are bolted onto the Austin 7.
And here we see the meticulous process of the final detailing, ensuring the restored black leather and gleaming brass meet Concours standards.
This 1929 Austin 7 Swallow represents the pinnacle of early British motoring, and this
A cinematic low-angle shot reveals the exquisite detail of this 1929 Austin 7 Swallow. Every detail in this Swallow has been meticulously restored, from the supple leather to the flawless white dash. The Swallow badge, a symbol of elegance, reborn through meticulous restoration.
Steady now, easy over the threshold.
It looks perfect in the light.
The first turn of the key in this 1929 Austin 7. And just like that, the rebuilt 747cc engine roars to life once more. If you love watching forgotten classics come back to life, hit subscribe and join me every week for another restoration story.
Drop a comment below telling me which forgotten classic you want me to rescue next, and I will see you in the next one.